Shubor nakaslem jong Nong Hima.
Ki patba na ki wei ki jat bin rio hadalhi hagasngi ublei kalai thari unai la raja arpusan kile tu banwan thiet bat mat yu Sohtrun jong ka Meghalaya bat kile ro bhai ka jingbang u Sohtrun na Meghalaya habe kran bat kili ni kinong wan thiet belawan thiet yu Sohtrun la kisngo kumno hadien beladap mat yu Sohtrun na Meghalaya kile ro bha da ka baong bu ulong babang bat thiang bat ubaya pher bat ki Sohtrun na ki wei ki jaka Wei ubri ulong bo Sohtrun na Meghalaya ulong babang bha bot bakam jam ulong bahadalhi la da ki thiet Sohtrun ki hab ban Bret no namar ba da thyang bat ukham Henry uban Meghalaya upher shibun namar ba ubang uthyang bat ukham jam ki bawan ban mat yu Sohtrun ngani ka tamasa Sohtrun balapan nong hanong ba dalhi kile thu ba ba ki wan kai Meghalaya ki jukan mau ban thiet yu Sohtrun namar ba ulong babang bha bat kile ro ru ya ka jing itanat ka Meghalaya
Did you like the half pineapple from Nong? Is it sweet? Very nice.
So इंसिडेंटली मैंने कल ही पाइनएप्पल टेस्ट किया है, तो मेरे पास एक रेफरेंस पॉइंट है और उस पाइनएप्पल के टेस्ट में और इस पाइनएप्पल के टेस्ट में आई कैन क्लियरली सेंस द डिफरेंस. These are like really sweeter and more delicious. So I enjoyed coming to this pineapple festival.
Okay.
Thank you यार. संडे को पाइनएप्पल बढ़िया पाइनएप्पल खाने को मिल जाए तो उससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है. And I'm coming via cycling. तो थोड़ा थकान भी ज़्यादा हो रही थी, तो this is very refreshing.
Okay, thank you so much.
इतना जूसी हमने यहाँ पर नहीं लिया, नहीं मिलता.
आप कभी आए हो शिलोंग? हाँ, मेघालय कभी आए हो?
हाँ जी आए हैं.
आपको
किसी तरफ आया वैसे डाले
Enjoy. बहुत टेस्टी था. सर आपने मेंशन किया था आप शिलोंग आए थे पहले, कैसी लगी शिलोंग आपको?
रंग बहुत सुंदर है. मैंने 2 बार खाने में भी यही खाया.
Are you liking the taste of the pineapple? What's the difference between the pineapple which you get here in Delhi and which you're getting now from Shillong?
It is more sweeter, I think, and it's juicy.
Juicy, more juicy. But it's very tasty, very good, yeah. And it's quite natural, tasty. And good sweet. This the sweet is such a healthy sweet, you can say, right? Very nice.
Have you been to Meghalaya before?
No dear, I have not been to, but I like to go after eating that pineapple, yeah. Very nice.
was really good.
Very nice. Yes, it was very sweet, especially with the
Seasoning.
chili and salt. Amazing taste.
Really good.
So, what I thought a pineapple would be a little big and yellow, but here, despite its size and the color, it felt more. It didn't feel that. You didn't feel that stinginess in your tongue after eating this
Yeah,
pineapple. Usually, if you buy pineapple from Blinkit or somewhere, after eating a pineapple, it feels a little sharp on the tongue, but that wasn't the case. It was quite smooth, sweet in the center, and slightly sour, but good sour around the edges.
Yeah, I think the best thing is it's not bitter. It's
Yeah,
very,
it's not
very
bitter.
nice. It's very nice.
Have you ever visited Meghalaya?
Yes.
How many times?
I think I've been there about 4 times.
One time.
How was the place there?
I really like Meghalaya. I am yet to explore more of South Garo, so I'll do that next time I go.
Hello sir.
Hello.
Can you please tell us how was the taste of the pineapple from Thied?
बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Sweetest pineapple that you can ever find.
So any difference between the Delhi pineapple and the Korea pineapple?
This reminds me of my childhood. I grew up in Shillong. I was born in Shillong. So I grew up eating these pineapples. For the first time I'm finding these in Delhi. Apply Shubun.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Can you tell us?
Yes, it's excellent pineapple I have in my life. It's kind of sweet, and even the middle part of this is very sweet. I used to visit there, Meghalaya. I visit many times. And every time when I'm here, I eat pineapple and the banana. Banana also very good. Pineapple is amazing, amazing.
Usually the pineapple, the middle part. In Delhi we buy, we they throw it away because you cannot eat. It's very hard. You can't eat. But this one you can also eat the middle part. It's also not that hard and also sweet. Excellent.
Cheers.
It's in Meghalaya or what? How many fruits?
We started with pineapple.
We just started, and we will
First
like to eat everything what you are serving
Then
here.
after trying we can tell you more about other dishes.
How many times have you visited Meghalaya?
I never visited.
I visit. I used to visit actually. Yes.
What is the beautiful place there, sir? Meghalaya.
What is it?
Beautiful place in Meghalaya.
Beautiful place in Meghalaya.
Yes. Oh, it's Cherrapunji, Shillong Hill, yeah, and the caves. I remember the caves. It's amazing. I have some photographs. It's amazing caves inside. One go and very scary and very nice. Good experience. The weather is so good in Meghalaya.